Hello students, welcome once again at the channel E-Learn with Rajan Sir Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 5.3, chapter number 5, arithmetic progression, lesson number 5. If you are new at the channel, you subscribe, like and share the channel and don't forget the press bell icon. Students, today we start exercise 5.3. Question number first. Find the sum of the following APs. Question number first, the question is 2, 6, 12 dot 10 terms. In the question, find out the sum of the APs. Okay students, here the find out the value of A. Here 2 is called the A is the first term of the APs. Here A equal to 2. Then find out the D equal to the second term minus first term. Therefore 7 minus 2, then we get 7 minus 2, we get 5, D equal to 5. The value of D equal to 5. Here we find out the sum of the APs. The formula of sum of AP equal to Sn equal to here n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay students. Now here the 10 is the n equal to 10. The value of n equal to 10. Now the substitute all the value in the given formula. Here n's value is 10, n by 2, here 10 by 2. Okay, 2 into a means 2. Okay, n 10 minus 1 and value of D equal to 5. Okay students, now we can solve. 10 by 2 equal to 5, 2 to ja 4, 10 minus 1 9 into 5. Okay students, 5 in the bracket 4 plus 9 5 ja 45. Okay, 5 is multiply with the 45 plus 4 49. Now the multiply 49 by the 5 9 ja 45. Okay, 5 4 ja 20, 245. Okay students, now we have to taking another example and solve this. The second example is find the sum of the given below. Find the sums given below. Okay students, here the first question is our 7 plus 10 integer 1 by 2 plus 14 plus up to 84. Okay, now the find the summation of the series. Here we write the value of A equal to 7 and we find out the D is a second term minus first term. 10 integer 1 by 2 minus 7. Now we can solve. D equal to 10 to the 21 upon 2 minus 7. 7 is subtracting from 21 by 2, then we get 21 minus 14 upon 2, the value of 7 by 2. We get the value of 7 by 2. D equal to 7 by 2. First we find out the n. What is the formula of an? The formula of an equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. What is the value of an? So here given 84. 84 is the value of an. 84 is the value of an. It is called the last term of the series. It is denoted by L. L's value is also 84. Now we substitute all the value in the equation. In the formula an value of an 84. Okay, value of A is 7 plus n minus 1 into D is 7 by 2. We substitute all the value in the formula, then we get 84 minus 7. Shifting from left side the 7, then the sign will be changed. Multiply by 7 by 2, n minus 1. 7 by 2 into n minus 7 by 2. Solve the equation. 84 minus 7, we get 77. Shifting from the shifting 7 by 2 left side, then the value is converting plus 7 by 2 n. Now multiply 2 77, 2 7 ja 14, 2 7 ja 14, 1 15 plus 7 upon 2. 7 by 2 into n, 2 are cancel out, therefore 7n equal to 161. Okay, 7 2 ja 14 and 7 3 ja 21. Value of n, we getting value of n equal to 23. Okay students, now we apply the formula of summation. What is the formula of Sn? So here we write the formula of Sn equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay students, now substituting the value of n equal to 23. Now 23 upon 2, the value of 2a, a means 7, n minus 1 means 23 minus 1 into d means 7 by 2. Okay students, here we can solve this equation. 23 upon 2 in the bracket 14 plus 22 into 7 upon 2. 2 11 ja 22. We can write here 23 by 2, 14 plus 77. Okay students, now 23 upon 2 multiply, here the first we add the value, then we multiply 23 by 2. 4 plus 7 11, query 1 8 91 into 23 upon 2, we get 23 1 ja 23 and 23 9 ja 207 plus 2 209. Okay student, divide by 2, up we get 1046 in 0.5. as 23 value we get 1046.5. Now this now we can solve another method. Sn equal to n by 2 in the bracket a plus l, where l is a last term of the series. Now substitute the value as 23 upon 2. Value of a means 7 and l means 84. 23 by 2, 84 plus 7 into 91, and we get 2093 upon 2. Now after dividing we get S23 equal to 1046.5. Okay students, in today video lesson we learn about how to find out the sum of a given AP. Okay, so we have to taking another example and solve. Now given a equal to 5, d equal to 3 and a equal to 50, find the n and Sn. Here the value of given a is 5, d is a difference 3, and an, here an equal to 15, then find out the n and Sn. Now we can solve. Let's start. Here the value of given an is called a L is the last term of the series, AP series. The value of L is 50 and the value of an is also 50. Okay, the value of first term is 5 and general difference is d equal to 3. Now first we find out the value of an. The nth order formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay students, here we substitute all the values in the formula. An equal to 50. The value of a is 5, n minus 1 into d, d equal to 3. Here 15 equal to 5 plus 3n minus 3. n minus 1 is multiplied by 3, then we get a 3n minus 3. Okay, here 50, 5 minus 3 equal to 2, and 2 is shifting from left side, 2 is shifting left side. 15 minus 2 equal to 3n. Okay, here the value of n, 15 minus 2 equal to 48, then therefore 3 is divided by 48, then we getting 48 divided by 3, we getting n equal to 16. The value of n is 16. Now we find out the Sn. The formula of Sn equal to n by 2. This is a short form of Sn. Okay students, now substituting all the value in the equation in the formula, Sn as 16 upon 2, and value of a is given 5, and L is a last term, that is a 50. Okay, now 2 is 16 divided by 2, then we get 8, and 5 plus 50, we add 5 in 50, then we get 55. Okay students, we are multiply with 55 into 2 into 8 in 8, then we get 8 5 is a 40, query 4, 8 5 is a 40 plus 4 44. So S16 equal to 440. Okay students, this is the value of Sn. Okay.